In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a stand in Please Donate. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's actually a few different steps that you're going to have to follow, but just bear with me. So the first thing that you want to do is once you open up Roblox, it can be on your desktop or the application, is go on to Please Donate. So it's right here. Then just click the play button right there. Then once you do, it's going to load you in. It's going to look something like this. So all you want to do is, as you can see, I don't have a claimed table right now. I want to actually claim it. So it's going to say press E, and I've just claimed it right here. Then I can edit the stand however I want to. You know, I can change the booth, change the text, all of that stuff. I can do everything right here. But let's say I actually want to claim, like receive V-Bucks from other people. And, you know, if I want to, I can donate to other people as well. So all you want to do is actually exit out of Please Donate. So all you want to do is click on leave right here, then just go out of it. Then what you want to do is go to more on the bottom left and then just click on create. Then once you do, it's going to open up a browser of your choice, like whichever one is your default browser, and it's going to look something like this. So from here, all you want to do is go to creations on the left. It's going to be create.roblox.com. Then from here, you want to create an experience. I already have one, but you know, if you don't have one, just press create experience and then you can make your own place. Then from here, just click on it once you're ready. Then just scroll down on the left, you're going to see monetization, and there's going to be a few different options under monetization. So you just want to go ahead and click on passes, which is the third option. As you can see, I already have a few passes, but what you want to do is go ahead and click create a pass. Then you can give it a different name, anything you really want, and then you can also give it a description up to 1,000 characters. Then all you're going to want to do is press create pass right here. And as you can see, this is the one I just made, but as you can see, it's still off sale. So what I want to do is click the three little dots, and then I just want to click on the name right here. On the left, you're going to see sales. You can enable the item for sale, and then you can have any Robux price that you want, and then just press save changes, and then you'll be good to go. So when you go back to passes, as you can see, it's now enabled.